Functions of cerebrospinal fluid we have to do. It maintains a constant pressure in and around the brain. It helps to exchange nutrients and waste product between nervous tissue and blood, and it protects the brain against shock and mechanical injury. Very important, you have to learn. Olfactory lobe, this is third part of a forebrain. These are pair of lobes in forebrain at the interior end of cerebrum and are concerned with sense of smell. See, olfactory word whenever it will come will relate it to smell, and these are poorly developed in human beings and are more prominent in dogfish means and other animals that depend on this sense, means the animals which are relying on sense of smell, they have more developed olfactory lobes. Then functions of forebrain are: it controls the voluntary muscles which are under control of our will. It controls the functions of internal organs through autonomic nervous system, and it controls all mental activities such as memory, intelligence, reasoning, emotions, and willpower. Then it is the seat of consciousness and controls speech and intelligent thought. And fifth one is it is center for perceiving pain, touch, and temperature. Next part is midbrain. It performs the following functions. First of all, it links the forebrain to hindbrain. This middle part, and it helps in the fine tuning of muscle movement. It is associated with vision, hearing, motor control, sleep or wake cycle, that arousal, that is alertness, and temperature regulation. The upper part of midbrain, that is dorsal part, it contains 4 rounded projections which control visual reflex, matlab reflexes which are related to vision, and auditory reflex center, matlab related to hearing. Auditory, visual is for vision, auditory is with listening capacity. Then hindbrain, this is last part of brain, second largest part of brain. It has similar structures of cerebrum, but convolutions, that is grooves, are less prominent in hindbrain, and it has following 3 parts: cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. Functions of various parts of hindbrain. First of all, of cerebellum, it contains center for posture and balance of the body. It controls the skeletal muscles, that is voluntary activities, and it receives information from the sensory system, the spinal cord, and other parts of the brain, and then regulates motor movements. Thus, it coordinates smooth and balanced muscular activities such as posture, balance, and speech. Now, you might have noticed how an alcoholic person changes his posture and balance after consuming an excessive amount of alcohol. That is because alcohol affects the cerebellum part. Effect of alcohol on cerebellum function. Then a second part of hindbrain is pons. It is a small, only 2.5 centimeter approximately, and it serves several important functions. First of all, it serves as bridge between cerebrum and cerebellum. Secondly, there are many important nerves that originate in pons. These are the trigeminal nerve, the abducens nerve, the facial nerve, the vestibulocochlear nerve, and it also forms the part of brain stem. Its lower part stimulates and controls the intensity of breathing, while its upper part decreases the depth and frequency of pons. And it also been associated with control of sleep cycle.